Hi, today I have with me 5 of India's most popular breakfasts and I'm going to rate them worst to best basis how good a protein source they are. See, the thing is that your body needs about 25 grams of protein in its breakfast so that you can have a fab day. Remember that number and let's get started.
Sabudana vada, the breakfast that people enjoy across India, especially during their fasts because it's healthy. Let me tell you what's actually inside it. See, this is sago. This is pure starch, which means it's pure carbs. One full plate of sabudana vada will give you 350 calories for just 3 grams of protein. That, my friend, putting it into perspective, is less than a single glass of milk. Sabudana vada goes down to F tier. Aloo paratha, the king of North Indian breakfast. If you disagree, let us know in the comments. Now let's look at the math. See, one paratha gives you 4 grams of protein. The aloo filling gives it absolutely nothing. And if you take it with rich butter on top, it gives you nothing, just 100 more calories. If you have 2 parathas with butter, that's 450 calories and protein just 7 grams. That's like having 1 glass of milk for 450 calories. D tier, it's not terrible, it's just not honest. Idli sambar. And this one is interesting. 4 idlis alone give you about 6 grams of protein. Rice and urad, not so great. But the moment that you add sambar, which is made from tur dal, something magical happens. Rice is missing lysine, dal is missing lithionine. And when these two come together, something magical happens. You suddenly have a complete protein source. This gives you a total of 10 grams of protein in only 350 calories. Which is why idli and sambar go in tier C. But our grandmothers figured all of this out 2000 years ago. This is like food science. Mad respect, bro. Poha. Now, whether you like Maharashtrian poha or Indori poha, you let me know in the comments. One plate of poha can give you up to 6 grams of protein. Now, the point to note is that the flattened rice itself has none. When you add the vegetables and the peanuts, that is when you can ramp it up to 6. This is a 6 gram protein source in a 300 calorie plate. And I know that you're thinking that, oh Satvik, I add sprouts to my poha. That's great. And that ramps up your protein intake to 8, which is still not enough. So let's put poha in D tier. It's okay, but it's still nowhere close to your 25 gram target. Why am I obsessed with this 25 gram number? See, the thing is that your body can absorb up to 25 grams of protein in one meal. Now the problem is that when this does not happen, your body is breaking down muscle for fuel by 11 am. Which is why you have mid-morning hungers, you keep reaching for snacks and chai, and you are absolutely sluggish by half day. It's not that you don't have willpower, it's just that your breakfast is not enough protein. Anyway, back to the drawing board. Anda bhurji. I like my anda bhurji with chopped onions, tomatoes and green chili because this gives me a complete 18 grams of protein. And if instead of this pav, it's here because I like it, but if instead of this I use 2 whole grain slices of toast, I get another 6 grams of protein. So that comes up to 24 grams of protein for 350 calories. See, here's why eggs win. Eggs are a complete source of protein. What that means is your body is able to absorb almost 100% of the protein that these eggs provide, which unfortunately is not true for a lot of other sources. Your body loses absorption of up to 20 to 40% of the protein because of digestion. So here, anda bhurji, S tier. So this was the entire ranking. Now the problem is that no one talks about. Most of these breakfast items take 20 to 40 minutes to cook. And on a Tuesday morning with the 9 am meter, you're not cooking. You're grabbing the first biscuit that you see with your chai and you're running out the door. This reasoning is exactly why I always keep in my fridge a Fab protein milkshake. 18 grams of protein, 0 added sugar, 5 seconds to consume it. Please understand, this is not replacing my meals. This is managing my diet on the days that breakfast just isn't happening. So tell me, which tier was your breakfast item in? And if it's in D or F tier, you know what to do tomorrow morning, don't you? It's to subscribe to this channel. This is Satvik and this is Fab. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.